Welcome to TechnoWise 360. This video presentation will explain a unique hybrid compensation system that TechnoWise is offering and how you can be rewarded by simply becoming our loyal customer. My name is Manuel. I am the company's marketing director at your service. Here in TechnoWise, you earn in two ways, through consumption and referral. Consumption is when you or your organization purchase any product from the Techno eShop, such as prepaid load, gaming cards, health and wellness, weight loss, personal care, at marami pang iba. Let's talk about consumption. You can earn in four ways: cashback, endorsement bonus, group overrides, and infinity bonus. So what is cashback? Cashback is your earnings from your personal purchases. Bawat product ay may katumbas na PV or point value. At kung ano ang points ng product, you earn 100% of the point value. Are you familiar with the SM Advantage card? This is an example of a cashback benefit when shopping. Ang computation ng cashback nila ay 1 peso for every 200 pesos. So kung bumili ka sa kanila ng worth 2,000 pesos, ang cashback mo ay 10 pesos lang. This card is worth 150, which is good for 1 year. So in order for you to earn 150 pesos na cashback para mabawi mo yung pambayad mo ng card, dapat makapag-purchase ka ng worth 30,000 sa loob ng isang taon. And after that, that's the only time you enjoy real cashbacks. Now I'm wondering if this card is really an Advantage card. Seriously, kung average shopper ka lang, lugi ka pa. Some companies or sites are giving 1 to 2% cashback, but here in TechnoWise, you get cashbacks that range from 6 to 18%. So napakadali mo lang mabawi ang 360 na membership mo with just a few purchases. We also do free shipping for some qualified products. We do combined shipping, meaning you can combine yung mga products na hindi free ang shipping sa mga qualified products. And we also ship internationally, which of course iba ang pricing depende sa country. Here in TechnoWise, we give you the best value for your money. Next is endorsement. So what is endorsement bonus exactly? This is your income when a non-member signs up and buys products from the Techno eShop. Yes, you heard me right. Non-member. Kaya share lang ng site. Dahil kahit di sila mag-member like you and they're only interested to buy the products, you will earn 100% of the PV or point value of their products. So if, for example, ang point value ng biniling product ng friend mo ay 100 PV, you will get a credit of 100 pesos which will go straight to your e-wallet, real time. So if endorsement is your earnings from non-members, paano ka naman kikita from the purchases of your members? Tawag dito ay group overrides. This is your earnings kapag ang bumili ay mga members under your organization. Group overrides is up to 6th or up to 12th level depending on your position. So when you become a member, you are called Silver Associate. And you will be entitled to earn up to 6 levels initially. How much per level? First level, you will earn 20% of all your direct referrals purchases. Then sa second, up to the 6th level, you will earn 10%. Note that you are required to purchase 30 PV worth of load or products in order for you to qualify for this bonus. Pero sa unang buwan mo, exempted ka. Tanong, may cellphone ka ba? Naglo-load, nagde-text, tumatawag. 20 pesos per day, pwede na ba sa yung budget for call and text? That's around 600 per month, right? Sabihin na lang natin na may mga araw na di ka naglo-load kasi nagtitipid ka at gumagastos ka na lang ng 500 pesos per month on the average. So instead na bilhin mo yung load mo sa labas, dito mo na lang sa TechnoWise bilhin at magkakaroon ka pa ng 30 PV at magka-qualify ka agad to receive group overrides. So let's illustrate. Say you invited 5 people. Teach them to get 5 as well. And if that continues, here's how you're going to earn. First level, you have 5 people buying 500 pesos worth of load each month. That's a total of 150 PV. Multiplied by 20%, you earn 30 pesos. Second level, you now have 25 people buying 500 pesos load each. Now you get 10% of the total PV, that's 70 pesos. Malit pa lang sa simula, pero sa third level, 375 na. Fourth level, 1,875. Fifth level, 9,375. And then sixth level, 46,875 pesos. So kapag tinotal mo yan, that's 58,605 pesos. Wow! Ang tanong, once mo lang ba kikitain yan? You will earn over and over again hanggat may naglo-load, hanggat may nagte-text, hanggat may tumatawag. So ibig sabihin, pwede ka kumita ng 50,000 pesos every single month. Eh paano kung naka-postpaid or nasa abroad o di kailangan ng load? Good news, bawat bili nila, papasok din yan sa group overrides. Lahat yan. So we're talking about 30 PV pa lang, which is very conservative. Eh paano kung di lang 5 ang na-invite mo at di lang 5 ang na-invite nila? Sa palagay mo, itong 50,000 pesos, lalaki kaya? Well, yes, pwedeng lumaki talaga yan. Dahil there's no limit sa pwede mong kitain sa overrides. Yan ang totoong residual income. Once you've established your network, wala ka gagawin kundi gumastos lang sa load or other products at kikita ka na every month. Gusto mo pa lalo palakin to? Get a promotion. Paano? If you bring 10 people into the business, you will be promoted to a rank called team leader. So from 6 levels, magkakaroon ka ng another 2 levels down, and you will earn overriding commissions up to 8th level. Imagine all your members aiming for 10 referrals each. Kanina yung 50,000 pesos per month, that's only 5 gets 5. What if gawin natin 10 gets 10 up to the 8th level? Well, that would bring up millions of people already, and that has never happened in the history of MLM. I will not show you that table, we don't like to hype here. What is important is you know how to compute your earnings. Okay, so you can deepen this further up to 12 levels deep if you become a gold director. A thing which we will discuss in another video. Basic lang muna tayo. Next is Infinity Bonus. Group overrides din ito, but the difference is, wala itong limit. Kahit pang 100th level ang bumili ng product, meron ka pa ring income. So for example, executive director ka na. Meron kang additional 10% sa total PV ng buong group mo regardless of the level. Kapag platinum naman, meron kang extra 15%. Then kapag diamond, meron kang extra 25%. Wow! I will discuss the advanced topic in another video. So we're done with the income based on consumption. Now let's move on to another exciting way to earn your referral bonuses. Referral bonus is simply your income when people join and become a member of your organization. We have 4 types of referral bonuses: sponsor bonus, gold bonus, linear income, and matching bonus. Sponsor bonus is your income when your personally referred friends become silver associates. These are called redirect referrals, or first-level downlines. You earn 50 pesos for every account na kinuha ng in-invite mo. So kung kumuha siya ng isang account, you get 50 pesos. Kung dalawa naman, you earn 100 pesos. And kung tatlong accounts, or what we call our silver triple, meron kang 150 pesos. There's no limit sa number of referrals. Pwede kang mag-invite kahit ilan. Now, let's move on to gold bonus. This is your bonus kapag may nag-upgrade sa mga personally referred silver associates mo. Each upgrade, you earn 500 pesos. Gold membership is only optional, hindi ito requirement. You upgrade to gold when you're ready for more challenges and ready to earn more. We'll talk about more of this in another video. Let's discuss linear income. Linear income is also referral income, this time not referred by you, but referred by your group. Others call this indirect referral commission. Meron tayong dalawang klase ng linear income, silver and gold linear. These are type of bonuses na pwede ka kumita kahit one leg lang. No need to balance, and there's no limit pagdating sa with and daily income. Pwede ka kumita dito unlimited. Silver linear is your income kapag may pumasok na silver from your 2nd up to 12th level. Gold linear naman is your income kapag may nag-upgrade na silver to gold from 2nd up to 12th level. Dito sa linear income, regardless of the type of membership of your rank, kahit wala ka pang promotion, you will earn up to 12 levels deep. Pantay-pantay lahat ng members pagdating sa income na ito. Here's your reference kung magkano exactly ang kikitain ninyo per level. Let's illustrate. For example, isa lang na-invite mo. Isa lang kasi mahimain ka at di masyadong nag-online, konti lang friends mo, pero huwag mo ismulin dahil pwede lumaki kahit isa lang. So halimbawa, yung na-invite mo ay mas friendly sa'yo at may na-invite na 5. Ngayon, let's see based sa table how much you're going to earn. Based sa table, ang 2nd level silver ay 10 pesos and 100 pesos kapag gold. So ibig sabihin, sa 5 silver na sumali sa 2nd level mo, kahit di ikaw ang nag-invite, meron kang 10 pesos times 5. That's 50 pesos. Not bad. Di naman ikaw nag-invite. Pwede na pang load. At assuming nag-upgrade sila to gold, assuming na, you earn 100 pesos each or 500 pesos sa 5 upgrade. Ayan, pwede na pang kape, di ba? Ngayon, let's say, tinatamad ka pa rin at isa pa rin ang na-invite mo. Yung nasa 2nd level mo, nag-invite din ng tig-5. So, meron ka ngayong 25 sa 3rd level mo. Now, tingnan natin ulit ang table. Meron kang 5 pesos per silver at meron kang 50 pesos per gold. So, ibig sabihin, meron kang 5 pesos times 25 na silver, meron kang 125 pesos. And assuming nag-upgrade sila to gold, assuming lang ulit, meron kang 50 pesos times 25, that's 1,250 pesos. Aba, kahit tinatamad ka, kumikita ka pa rin. Ang good news dito, hindi lang hanggang 3rd level dahil hanggang 12 levels yan. Ay grabe, kapag nag-compute tayo ng tuloy-tuloy, napakalaki ng pwede niyong kitain. Isa pa lang in-invite niyo dyan Paano kung dalawa na? Baka dumoble pa. Huwag ka muna masyado ma-excite kasi meron pang isa. Ito yung tinatawag na matching bonus. Bonus lang talaga, meaning extra lang. Pero this is a very powerful plan na marami ng pinayaman sa industry natin. Mabilis kasi ang income dito. Matching bonus is based on a system called binary. From the prefix bi, which means dalawa, in this system, you will have 2 groups. Isang left group at isang right group. So let's say, rather than 1, you invited 2 people. So pagka-invite mo sa kanila, as long as you put 1 on the left and 1 on the right, you will get 1 match or 1 pair. And the company will pay you 50 pesos. The good thing about binary is that it won't only apply to your personal referrals. Kasama din ang group referrals. So let's say for instance, si Red Guy sa left, nakasponsor ng Silver Triple, 3 accounts ang kinuha. Then yung sa right side mo naman, nakasponsor din ng isa. And then yung isang yun, nakasponsor din ng isa. At yung isa, nakasponsor ng isa. So in this scenario, meron kang 4 sa left at meron kang 4 sa right. So kahit hindi perfect ang structure, you will still get paid. Which means, 4 times 50, you earn 200 pesos matching bonus. Hanggang anong level naman to? Good news is up to infinite level. Yes, wala itong katapusan. Wow! Okay, question. Paano kung nag-invite ka ng pangatlo? Saan mo ilalagay? Well, you can place it anywhere below your downlines. Ang tawag natin doon is spillover. This is why binary is very powerful because it creates teamwork and synergy. Because very powerful ang binary, you are only limited here up to a maximum of 30 pairs per day. In excess of 30 pairs, the binary credits get flushed out. Which means in our binary system, we are only limited to a gross income of 50 pesos times 30 pairs or 1,500 pesos per day, 10,500 pesos per week, or 45,000 per month. Pwede? Pwede na, diba? Sa matching bonus lang naman may limit. The other 7 ways discussed previously have no limits. Pero kung gusto mo makabilis ang income mo, you can get 3 accounts all under your name. Last item we have is about promo coupons or PC. Every 5th pair or 5th match, instead of getting 50 pesos, you will get 1 PC instead. These are virtual coupons, by the way. They are redeemable. You can exchange them for exciting gadgets like cell phones, tablets, laptops, meron ding appliances at pwede ring car. You can also use these coupons as raffle entries, shopping vouchers, and a lot more. There you have it. We've discussed cashback, endorsement bonus, group overrides, infinity bonus, sponsor bonus, gold bonus, linear income, and matching bonus. Total of 8 ways to earn. There's 2 more ways which I will discuss in another video. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Activate your account now. For how much? For only 360 pesos. Wow! All of these are only 360 pesos. So start building your passive income now. Maging wise na. Be techno-wise. So kung sino man nag-share ng video na ito sa inyo, please get back to the person and thank them. Then ask for assistance, how to sign up for free. If you just accidentally bumped into this video, check out our website, visit our page to inquire from there how to join. Once again, my name is Manuel, TechnoWise's Marketing Director at your service. Thanks for watching, and this is TechnoWise 360.